Manita. Who else are there? Am I audible to everyone? Please tell who are there. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please tell. Okay. So let us start without delay. As I have told that today I am going to talk about data handling. Okay, and in the data handling we are having three things. First is average, or average is also known as the mean, and second is mode, and third is median. So basically they are known as a central tendency. So what do you understand by central tendency? That you have to understand at first. The central tendency comes with the word center. Okay, that means कि if something is the center, suppose मेरे पास 10 चीजें हैं, मैंने इनको अरेंज किया, या सपोज 5 चीजें हैं जिनको मैंने अरेंज किया, तो दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज कमिंग इन द मिडल. So there are two things on the left, there are two things on the right. Suppose I have made this line, middle line, a little longer, while the left hand side lines I have made shorter, while this right hand side lines I have made little bigger. तो अब ये क्या हो रहा है कि this middle line is dividing all, or this middle line is dividing these 5 lines into two groups. एक group इसके left में smaller size का है, and one group on the right side it is the of bigger size. ठीक है? So this concept is clear. Who else is there? Please send your name in the chat box, and if you are having any problem, you can send your doubt or your problem in the chat box. So central tendency, that means you are finding out the center. Now the very first thing what we have to do, we are having three kinds of central tendency. The first one is mean, which is most commonly used. It is most commonly used, and it gives more appropriate information about data. Got it? It gives most appropriate data, right? Now, second is mode, and the third one is median. Median gives you the exact mid value. Exact mid value. While mode gives you the data which occurs maximum times. Data which occurs maximum time. So this was all about the mean, right? Manita, are you here? Yes. Anybody, please write your name in the chat box so that I can understand who is there. Okay. Who else is here? Please write your name in the chat box so that I could help you. I could call you by your names. Who else is here? Please write your name in the chat box so that I could help you. I could call you by your names. Okay, no problem. Till here, any problem? Till here, any problem is there? Now we are going to talk about the mean. Mean means sum of all observation divided by, mean means sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Mean means sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So here the most important thing is this, कि when we are talking about the mean, that means this is the general formula. Now you can utilize this formula by using the proper transposition. I can find out the sum of all observations. So sum of all observations mean, what you will do? You will do the cross multiplication. So what it will come? Sum of all observations equals to mean multiplied number of observations. Generally, mean is represented by M. Sum of all observations are represented by summation S, or number of observations is represented by summation N. This sign stands for sum and it is read as summation. So this is basic. This is what the mean. Directly you can find out. I think today there is some problem in my internet connection. I guess some problem is there. Am I audible or visible? Okay. So now we are going to move on the different kinds of questions. So let us write down. I am going to rub it. Just write down the different questions and let us solve these questions which are based on mean. Yes. The question says the average of, the first question, the average of, please note it down, average of 2, 7, 6 and x is 5 and average of 18, 1, 6, x and y is 10. What is the value of y? Written the question? Please write down the question quickly because these are the questions I am taking for basic understanding. If you understand and if you do so many questions, so it will be helpful for you to understand the concept and keep it in mind. Now question says the average of 2, 7, 6 and x is 5. So what is the first set of observation in the solution? The first set of observation is first set. What is 2, 7, 6 and x, or you can just put the comma x. So what is the number of observation? Summation n, that is 4. So find out the average, or you can say mean. Mean is 5. This is the given things. Now what you do? You start keeping the values. So mean means summation s upon summation n, that is equal to 5. Summation s means what you have to do? 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus x upon 4, that is equals to 5. Now solve it. Just do the cross multiplication. The denominator on the left hand side will multiply with the average. So what it is coming? 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus x equals to 20. Now on the left hand side there are the 3 numbers and 1 variable. Just add them. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15 plus x equals to 20. So x equals to 20 minus 15. So x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई आपके पास? 5. So in this way we have found the value of x. Now what is important? We need to find out the value of y. So now I will see the second observation. So what is there in the second observation? That is 18, 1, 6, x, y. That can be here in this observation. What you have to do? You have to replace this x by found value, that is 5. So just replace it. What it will come? 18, 1, 6, 5, y. Till here, any problem? Please tell, is there any problem in this part? I have replaced this x. X I have found here. So I have replaced this x by its value. Any problem till here? Now, any problem? Okay. Now just count the number of observation. What is summation n here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here summation n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is summation s here? Just add 18 plus 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus y. That will come 6 plus 6, 12 plus 18, 30 plus y. So summation s you have got 30 plus y. Now do one thing. What is given here? Y, here the average is 10. That means 10 equals to summation s upon summation n. So put the values. 10 equals to 30 plus y upon 5. Now do the cross multiplication. So this 10 will be multiplied with this 5. It will come 50 equals to 30 plus y. Now do the transposition. So from the right hand side 30 will come on the left hand side and before 30 there is a plus sign. हमें before देखना होता है before. So before 30 there is a plus sign. So it will become minus. So 50 minus 30 equals to y. So y equals to 20. So in this way you will be able to find out the values of variable which was here. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Should I wrap the board? Okay, should I wrap? Okay. So now we are moving to the next question. So what is the next question? Just look at here. The next question is the average of four consecutive even number is 27. Find the largest of it. Write down the question. The average of four consecutive even numbers is 27. Find the largest number. Yes, written this question. Okay, written this question. So after that I will start. Okay. So the very first thing, understand that four consecutive even number. सबसे पहले word consecutive समझिए. What is the meaning of consecutive? Say I have written 2, 3, 4. तो 2, 3, 4 ये numbers कैसे हैं? आपके बिना gap के आ रहे हैं. तो these numbers will be known as the consecutive numbers. These numbers will be known as the consecutive number. क्यों? Because they are coming without gap. Now we are having even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we can see between 2 and 4 the difference is 2, 4 and 6, 2, 6 and 8, then also 2. So it is consecutive even number. Similarly, if I take consecutive odd number, then also we have the gap like of 2. So what it will come? 3, 5, 7 and 9. So that is your consecutive odd number. What it is? Consecutive odd number. So I hope basic concept you have understood what is the meaning of consecutive odd number. Up suppose if I am representing the first even number by x. Okay? This concept everybody understood? This concept is clear? Yes, please respond in the chat box. This concept is clear? Okay. Now I am just telling you that if I say x is the first even number, then what will be the next even number? X plus 2. Then what will be the third even number? X plus 4. And the next one is 6. X plus 6. अब ये कैसे समझ में आया? Please try to understand. Suppose if I have said x means 2. So here 2 plus 2 that is 4. 2 plus 4 that is 6. 2 plus 6 that is 8. So when I solve it, what I am going to get? 2, 4, 6 and 8. So I have got the even numbers, even consecutive numbers. Just because of that, in form of x, I have represented in this way. This is clear? So they are saying the four consecutive numbers are x, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6. Now what is the average? Average is 27. What is average? Average is 27. So just write down the formula for average. So x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 are consecutive even numbers. Average is 27. Now write down the formula. So what it will be? Summation s upon summation n equals to 27. Just put the values. Summation s, that means x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 upon how many observations? 4 observations. That is equals to 27. Now denominator. Just do the cross multiplication of the denominator. So what it will come? This 4 will be multiplied with 27. So it is going to come x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 equals to 27 into 4. Now here on the left hand side we see that x, these are the variable and the constant. Just add the like terms together and the constants together. तो क्या आ जाएगा? x plus x 4 times plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 and 27 into 4. That will come 4 7 are 28 plus 4 to the 8 plus 2 10. Okay, so 108. Now do the addition. It is going to come 4x plus 12 equals to 108. Now 12 will go on the right hand side and it will subtract from 108 after transposition. So just do the transposition. You are going to get 4x equals to 96. That is x equals to 96 upon 4. अब हमने 4 से डिवाइड क्यों किया है? क्योंकि on the left hand side 4 is multiplied with x. So what we are going to get the value of x? 24. Now if we see, we have let x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. These are the four even numbers. So which will be the largest one? X plus 6. So largest number (24 plus 6), that is 30. So in this way you can find out the answer. हाँ ठीक है मान्यता, it is right. And what will be the largest number? 24 plus 6, that will be 30. So is it clear? Yes, this question is clear. Okay, so what I will do right now, we have done 2 questions, है ना? So now tomorrow I will we have done 2 questions as well as we have done the concept. So tomorrow approximately is at this time only I will take the class. So in that class again I will take more problems on mean. तो हम mean की और भी problems करेंगे कल ऐसे 25-30 minutes के लिए. So at the same time. ठीक है? अच्छा कृतिका पांडे भी थी. Clear? So these questions are clear to everyone? And please, if anybody else need the help in data handling, ask them also to join at the same time, because tomorrow I will try to take the class little longer. So थोड़े से ज़्यादा questions we will do and more difficult questions we will discuss tomorrow. So should I end up the class for now? This question everybody have written? These two solutions? Okay. ठीक है? तो going to meet tomorrow with more problems. Okay? Bye. Good night, all of you.